Welcome to Easy English, where we build confident speakers and writers. Today, we will be learning two useful English words, inquire and enquire. So, inquire means to ask for information, and it's often in a formal way. Or there's another meaning. It could be an investigation into something. So, how do we use this word, inquire, in a sentence? Number one, I will inquire about the job. Number two, the committee will inquire into the case of the incident. Number two, the next usage is enquire. So notice it's Enquire. So enquire means to ask a general question or to seek information casually. So it's less formal. She inquired about the train times. He inquired about the cost of the holiday. So, as you look at these two words, which one do you use often? Do you often get them confused? At the simple rules for these two words. Inquire is a formal investigation and it's used in a formal way. And enquire is a casual question that you need to find information about. So, thanks for joining me today. Keep learning, keep asking, and grow into your English every day. Bye for now.